So Bethany, can you tell me what this week has looked like for you?
This week, I don't know, I guess it was a little bit more productive than usual, but not really. I'm still just usual. I'm dead to the world.
I'm dead to the world.
Yeah, I'm just in my room most of the day. I'm not really part of the world or part of my family. I'm just closed off in my own little sad universe, I guess.
So you're feeling isolated from your family?
Yeah, I'm just feeling really disconnected. Just really, I don't know, it's just been a really tough week with my husband. We've been fighting a lot, as usual.
So when you say you're feeling disconnected, can you explain to me more what that looks like?
Yeah, I guess I'm so tired all day. I'm just exhausted, and he has all these demands and all these things he wants me to do, and I just feel like I'm not capable of doing that. I can't even get myself out of bed in the morning. How am I supposed to do all the things he wants me to do? Like just last night, he came home yelling at me like usual, and all the dishes were still in the sink, and all the laundry was all in the bed. I couldn't even tell him that I looked online for jobs, which I always thought I should be proud of, but I didn't even find a job, so whatever. It's not even that big of a deal, but I just thought maybe we could talk about that, but he was just yelling about shirts need to be ironed, and I couldn't do any of it.
So you feel that even though you made some progress by looking at for jobs this week, that you didn't feel much accomplishment from that because your husband didn't acknowledge it or appreciate it.
Yeah, he doesn't appreciate anything I do.
How does being unappreciated make you feel inside?
It just makes my whole body just ache. It just makes me feel empty. Like, if he can't appreciate the things that I do, then why would I be motivated to do the things that he wants me to do? Like, how am I supposed to iron his shirts when I can't even get out of bed in the morning, It just makes me feel really just empty and just miserable.
I hear you saying that you're shutting down. And not only do I hear you saying that, I can see you sitting here with me with the way you're sitting with your arms crossed. I feel like you're closing yourself off to a lot of things, to a lot of people.
Yeah, definitely. I am, because they don't notice anything I do. And on Monday, I actually got out of the house, which I thought was a big deal in the moment. But I took the cat to the groomer. My husband's been bugging me about that for months, and I got out of the house, I drove to the groomers, I changed in my pajamas, and all these things are a big deal to me, but he doesn't even see that as an accomplishment. They didn't even notice. My daughter didn't notice either. She just comes home and slams the door, doesn't even look at me. The cat was all groomed, had a nice little bow. No one even. It's been 5 days since that, and no one's even said anything since then.
So I feel like I've made this huge accomplishment for myself by getting out of the door, even, and taking the cat to the groomers. But then when I get home and it's not noticed by anyone, it takes it all away. It doesn't even matter to me.
Exactly.
So for things to matter to you, and for you to feel good about the even little progress steps you're making, you really need to have that acknowledged by your husband and your daughter.
Yeah. Otherwise, what's the point? If I don't have that support, all they do is point out the things I haven't done. I'll do something, but it's all about what hasn't been done. Oh, you haven't vacuumed in 2 months. But they don't notice the things that I actually do.
So I hear you saying that you're experiencing a lot of hurt.
Yeah.
So Bethany, you're feeling all this hurt. You're feeling nobody's recognizing who you are. You have all this laundry, vacuuming to do, all these chores. It's a lot. Do you think there's a way we can maybe like, put it away somewhere for a little bit to be able to address other issues?
Try.
Okay. You try maybe putting it in a little jar and be able to put all that hurt in a jar.
It's hard. Feels like there's so much of it. It won't fit.
Yeah. Maybe do you need a bigger space maybe for it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's try putting it in the corner over here. Let's try one more time.
It's hard. It's like it won't disconnect from me. I can't separate it from myself.
Okay. So what do you think that hurt's trying to tell you?
I don't know.
We'll take a minute and think about it. We need something.
I don't know, like maybe it's just telling me that this is what I always do. I always try to avoid it.
Okay. All right, well, let's tell the hurt that the hurt is important, and we'll be able to come back to it once you push it away. So it's not going to be there forever. So can we do that?
Yeah, I guess we could try. I just know it's trying to tell me that it's not going to work. It's just, yeah, I feel like it's just what I always do with it. I always just try to avoid it.
Okay. All right. Well, let's try doing this. Let's try closing your eyes. We'll get some breathing exercises here. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Imagine all the laundry, your husband, your daughter, your cat. Just put it outside in the hallway, the very far end of the hallway. You breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Open your eyes. How does that feel?
I don't know, I guess I'm feeling a little bit more relaxed, but I still don't feel good.
Okay. Well, is it in the hallway, or are you still hanging on to it?
I guess it's in the hall, I know, just different things kind of coming up.
Okay. So what are you feeling? What do you want to talk about?
I don't know, I guess I'm kind of lost. What should I talk about?
I don't have an agenda today. So whatever comes to mind, whatever feels important.
I don't know. I mean, do you have any suggestions?
Well, we'll take a minute. We'll think about it. Close your eyes again. And think about what you're feeling. So what are you feeling right now?
I guess what it really is I feel guilty, like, for even letting go of that hurt. Like, I need that hurt, or like that hurt makes me feel guilty. Like I shouldn't be hurting. Like part of me needs the hurt, and part of me just feels so bad for even hurting. Like I should be taking care of my family. I just feel a lot of guilt.
So you feel guilty when you hurt. I'm not worthy of feeling hurt. I'm not worthy of feeling good.
Yeah, exactly. It's like I feel guilty for even feeling hurt, but I feel guilty for feeling good. It's like I don't deserve happiness, but I know I probably deserve to feel better. It's just no matter what, I just feel guilty.
Okay. So I wanna kind of delve into that a little bit. That guilt that you're feeling, that's arising into this hurt. Would you be willing to try something with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is I want you to think about this chair, and I want you to picture yourself over here. This is the side of you that says you don't deserve to be able to feel guilty and that you don't deserve to be hurt. So I want you to focus on yourself, okay? Tell yourself about how it makes you feel to be guilty about hurting?
I just feel like I feel guilty for hurting because it forces me to just stay in bed, and hurt makes me feel like I'm incapable of taking care of my family, and I need to take care of my family. And I just feel guilty because while I'm hurting, I can't do that. I can't be there for them.
I close down when I'm hurt, and I deserve more than being hurt. Go ahead, Lisa.
I deserve more than being hurt.
And you want to be there for your family.
I want to be there for my family.
Okay. You could come over here for a minute. You don't deserve to feel guilty about being hurt.
You don't deserve to feel guilty about being hurt.
You need to take care of your family and stop being so selfish.
You need to stop being so selfish. Your family needs you. You gotta take care of them.
And when you don't take care of them, they get upset. Go ahead.
That's why they're always mad at you, because you don't take care of them and you're selfish.
Come on, go ahead. How does it make you feel when yourself tells you that you're selfish?
It hurts. It makes me really sad.
I'm sad. It hurts me
It hurts me when you tell me I'm selfish. When you tell me I'm not there for my family, that I don't care about them, because I do care about them so much. I'm trying my best.
Why are you making me feel guilty about being hurt? I have needs too.
I have needs I need to be taken care of too. It can't all be me.
And you're not taking care of me. You're not allowing me to feel good.
You're not allowing me to feel good. Feeling selfish and doesn't allow me to feel good, and I can't even be there for my family.
How does it feel when you hear that you're hurt, that the hurt and the pain that you're feeling?
It just feels like I need to step it up, and I need to try even harder.
Okay. So when you tell yourself that I'm hurt, and then you tell yourself I'm selfish, how does that feel inside?
It's just really confusing. It's like I need to break out of this guilty feeling and just allow myself to hurt.
I deserve to hurt. I need to hurt sometimes, and it's okay.
I need to hurt sometimes, and that's okay.
I deserve to have my needs met as well.
I deserve to have my needs met as well.
So, how does it make you feel that your other self understands the hurt that you're feeling?
It actually does. I'm still hurting, but it's almost like it's okay to hurt now.
I feel better that you're allowing me to hurt.
I feel better that you're allowing me to hurt.
I feel validated.
I feel validated.
I need to help my family.
I need to help my family, and I need to hurt and show them that I'm hurting but not feel guilty about it. That way I can be there for them and they can really understand what's going on with
I need things too.
me. Yeah, I need things too. I have needs too.
So how do you feel inside right now?
I almost feel like I feel lighter, like some of that guilt is gone. Even I'm still really hurt and I feel really sad, but it just feels more okay to feel that way.
Okay. If you can look over. Okay. When you hear that you need things and it's okay to be hurt and I need to be validated, tell yourself how you can maybe do that. Can you allow it?
Yeah, I think I can allow that. I can feel hurt without feeling guilty. And I can feel okay about hurting. And I can talk about hurting without feeling guilty about it. It's okay to hurt.
And it doesn't make me selfish
Yeah.
to need things.
Yeah, it doesn't make me selfish to make things.
So now you can come to an agreement with yourself to allow that space to hurt without the guilt.
Yeah, almost. I think so.
So we're actually out of time for today. So I want you to take this awareness with you this week, and then we'll pick up again next week.